Hey QB, I know it's a bit early to do this, but I got this. Technically, me and Jimbo both got this, but we just opened it a couple seconds ago, and now I'm putting them into different spots. We have some more upstairs, but I don't want to get them right now. Okay, so you can see the ambulance right there, the garbage truck right there, and then I'm putting the fire truck right here. And the fire truck and garbage truck both have cool features. The fire truck, its ladder can go up and twist around. But you don't want to break these things, because I don't know how much money they are. And then the garbage truck, the orange part can go up and down, up, down, up, down. It's a garbage truck. And the ambulance, I don't know. Okay, what is this? Oh, wait, it also has a cool feature. Maybe it's a little tail. What the? And then you can move it up and down, up and down. Then I don't know if this one has any features. No, it does not. I'm going to make this one go right here. The garbage truck go here on this little circle. It kind of looks like an eyeball. Gonna make it go there. This truck, I think it's a cement truck. Please leave your comments down below for what this truck is. Because please let me know. I don't know. And don't type anything mean in the comments. I see them. Everything. Then I'm going to make the fire truck go there. Right here. And then the police car. Do we have any more cars? Yes, we do. The police car. And I'm using the camera to see right now. There we go. And then, Mom, come look. Mom, come check this out. Look what I did. Voila.
Awesome. Looks super cool.
And Mom, this car also has a cool feature. You can move this up and down.
Wow.
And I told the QB crew in the comments to say what this is. In the comments.
Do you know what this is?
No.
It's a tow truck.
Oh. A tow truck? But how come it doesn't have a tow?
Well, I think it's supposed to be a tow truck.
Mom thinks it's a tow truck. I'm going to think it's a plow truck. Wait, I'm going to test it to see if it is a tow truck. I'm going to put this under, and no, it's not. Not now. Not going to tell anything. In QB Crew, I also made my own Lefty character. You can switch out the faceplate for Wizard Bonnie if you're interested in those characters. And I even have my own Fortnite character. I never got the skin, but my brother Nate got it for me. And if you're mixing him up with Jimmo, don't do that. Okay? Bye!